Good morning, class. As we discussed earlier in the last class, exercise 9.1, question number some examples of your book, that is example number 1 and 2 of exercise 9.1, and example number 3, that is of exercise 9.2. So here chapter 9, algebraic expressions and identity. So in today's class, first I am going to explain example number 4 of exercise 9.2. Then we will discuss the questions of exercise 9.1 and 9.2 both. The question is, find the value of each rectangular box with given length, breadth and height. Here is a table. Length, breadth, and it is the column of height. So first data is 2ax, 3by and 5cz, and the second is m square and n square p, and the last one is p square m, and third one is 2q, 4q square plus and the last height is 8q cube. Now we have to find the volume. We have to find the volume, not the value. Find the volume of each rectangular box. We know that volume of rectangular box is equals to length into breadth into height. So for the first data, volume is equals to length into breadth into height. So here the length is 2ax, breadth is 3by and height is 5cz. 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 A, B, C and X, Y, Z. So here is the first question. Note it down. Now I am going to solve the second example also. And volume is equals to length to breadth into height, and here the length is m square and breadth is n square p and height is p square m. When you multiply all the variables here, m square and m gives m cube and n square, that is n cube, and p square and p, that is p cube. So can be written as m into n into p whole cube also. Now note it down. Now the third part. Volume is equals to length, breadth, height. So here length is 2q, breadth is 4q square, and height is 8q cube. So 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64, and q square q and q into q, that is q to the power 6. 64 q to the power 6 is the volume of last rectangular box. Note it down. Now I am going to discuss the example, exercise 9.1, questions of 9.1. So first question is, identify the terms, their coefficient, and for each of the following expression. Okay. So I am going to solve two parts of every question. Then the remaining parts you have to solve it. And if you have doubt, you can ask me in the class. So question number 1. I am going to solve 5th and 6th part. So the fifth question is x by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy x by 2 comma y by 2 comma minus xy, and we have to write coefficient of each term. So if it is written that you have to write the coefficient only, so just write the numerical value on. Okay, so like I am giving the example here. Coefficient of for the first term x by 2, just write its numerical value, that is 1 by 2, and coefficient of y by 2, that is also 1 by 2, and coefficient of minus xy is minus 1. Because why this 1 by 2 is come? Only 1 by 2. Why? Because x by 2 can be written as x into 1 by 2, and if only coefficient is asked in the question, then we have to write only its numerical value, that is 1 by 2. Okay, so write down now question number 1, 6th part. .3a minus 0.6 ab plus 0.5 b. Now here the terms are 0.3 a minus 0.6 ab and 0.5 b, and coefficients for each term coefficient of 0.3a is 0.3, that is the numerical value only. And coefficient of minus 0.6 ab is minus 0.6, and coefficient of 0.5 b is only 0.5. I all can note it down. question number 2. In question number 2, you have to classify whether the algebraic expression are monomial, binomial, trinomial, or polynomial. Okay, so the first is x plus y, that is a binomial, and then 1000, that is a constant value, that is always a polynomial, and 1000, that is always a monomial, and after that x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4, that so this value is this expression is not fitted in all the three criteria, that is trinomial, binomial, and monomial, so it can be polynomial. Okay, but the option is not given, so you have to write just like x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4, and the instruction given for the question is classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, and trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these three categories? So just write the polynomial given is not monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Just write. Okay. Then after that, 7 plus y plus 5x. That there are three terms. So this is trinomial. And after that, 2y minus 3y square. There are two terms, so it is a binomial. And 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. There are three terms, so it is also a trinomial. And 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. That is also there is also three terms, so it is also a trinomial. And after that, 4z minus 15z square. There are two terms, so it is a binomial. And AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, again AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So the polynomial, same thing. Given is not monomial, binomial, and trinomial. After that, PQR, that is a monomial because all are together one term. After that, P square Q and PQ square. There are two terms separated with the plus sign, so it is a binomial. And 2P plus 2Q. So there are also two terms which is separated with plus sign, so it is also an example of binomial. So class, so as we have discussed the question number 1 and 2 of exercise 1.9.1, so just make sure that of classifying the polynomials, there should be very important to how to count your terms. Okay, that every term is separated with plus sign, minus sign, and So just look, is there any plus sign or minus sign in the expression or not. If there is any, so then proceed your count 1, 2 like this. Okay, and according to your counting, just classify the polynomial. Okay, so class, your homework is exercise 9.1 and it's all over for today. Thank you so much, class.